안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so today is Lunar New Year in Korea. Okay. So, unsay feeling ninyo inday nga kanang ang study room temporary close pa man siya? Unsa may feeling nimo, Ashley? Nasad ka? Okay, wala na mo dito, no? Temporary close pa man. Ikaw po, inday?
Nakamiss sa memory.
Na-miss mo memory sa mga classmates. Ang inyong pagsaba, no? Ang pag-study dito. Okay. Ikaw Samantha?
Sad food.
Sad food. Okay. So hopefully nga ma-open na siya balik kung makakita ang teacher, no? Okay, so since New Year in Korea, so yung Philnim gives you a gift. Okay. You have 2 trays of eggs each. Okay, and 3 kilogram of pork each for you, Samantha, Jada, and Yashli. Okay, mag-greet ta og Happy New Year after, ha. Okay, and that is from Soyong Philnim.
Uncle Soyong Philnim, kamsahamnida. Happy New Year.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say to Jen.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so today, Korea celebrating the Lunar New Year. Okay, so yung Philnim gives you 2 pan of geran, and you also have 3 kilogram of pork. Okay.
So yung Philnim 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, so today, Lunar New Year in Korea. So for that, so yung Philnim gives you 2 pan of eggs, geran, each for the 2 teachers and students, Brianna and Mercy. Okay, and also 3 kilogram of pork each. Okay. So since New Year sa Korea karon, so mo grade nita after. Okay. So that is from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim, kamsahamnida. Happy New Year.
Okay, bye bye.